Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. Welcome to Max class. Are you ready to write the mental sum, children? Yes. Take a note and pencil. Write the mental sums. First one, 80 minus 30. 80 minus 30. Second one, 75 minus 5. 75 minus 5. Third one, 58 minus 7. 58 minus 7. Very good, children. Shall we check the answer for the mental sums? First one, 50. Second one, 70. Third one, 51. Very good, children. What did we study in the previous class? Do you remember? Yes, you have already learned the concept of multiplication. What is multiplication? Do you know, children? Yes. Multiplication is repeated addition. Multiplication is repeated addition. Children, what do you see in this picture? Yes, bananas. Do you like bananas? Yes, there are 3 groups of 3 bananas each. How many bananas are there in all? Tell me, children. Yes, there are 9 bananas. Each group has 3 bananas. 3 plus 3 plus 3 equal to 9. 3 times 3 equal to 9. 3 multiplied by 3 equal to 9. The 9 is the product. The answer of multiplication is called product. The answer of multiplication is called product. Students, see the picture. What is she doing? Yes, she is skipping. Do you like skipping? Yes. In maths, multiplication on the number line, we do skip counting. Mark on the number line and write the product by skip counting. 3 multiplied by 3 equal to box. Multiplying 3 by 3 means 3 times 3. Multiplying 3 by 3 means 3 times 3. So, we need to skip count 3 times in 3s. So, we need to skip count 3 times in 3s. Starts from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3. Next, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This is the third jump. First jump, second jump, third jump. So, the answer is 9. 3 multiplied by 3 equal to 9. Next sum, 4 multiplied by 5 equal to box. Multiplying 4 by 5 means 4 times 5. So, we need to skip count 4 times in 5s. Starts from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the first jump. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the second jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the third jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the fourth jump. So, the answer is 20. The answer is 20. In this class, we are going to learn multiplication tables. Listen carefully, children. Multiplication tables are formed by making groups of equal number of things. Table of 1. We can build table of 1 by making groups of 1. Table 1. 1, 1, 1 is 1. 1, 1 is 1. Next, 2 groups. Each group has 1 candle. 2, 1 is 2. 2, 1 is 2. Next, 3, 1 is 3. 3, 1 is 3. 4, 1 is 4. 4, 1 is 4. Next, 5, 1 is 5. 5, 1 is 5. Students, repeat along with me. 1, 1 is 1. 1, 1 is 1. 2, 1 is 2. 2, 1 is 2. 3, 1 is 3. 3, 1 is 3. 4, 1 is 4. 4, 1 is 4. 5, 1 is 5. 5, 1 is 5. 6, 1 is 6. 6, 1 is 6. Next, 7, 1 is 7. 7, 1 is 7. 8, 1 is 8. 8, 1 is 8. 9, 1 is 9. 9, 1 is 9. 10, 1 is 10. 10, 1 is 10. Students, take your note and copy the table 1. 1, 1 is 1. 1, 1 is 1. 2, 1 is 2. 2, 1 is 2. 3, 1 is 3. 3, 1 is 3. 4, 1 is 4. 4, 1 is 4. 5, 1 is 5. 5, 1 is 5. 6, 1 is 6. 6, 1 is 6. 7, 1 is 7. 7, 1 is 7. 8, 1 is 8. 8, 1 is 8. 9, 1 is 9. 9, 1 is 9. 10, 1 is 10. 10, 1 is 10. Students, the table of 1 follows the counting pattern starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Have you understood, children? Go to the second table. Table 2. What are these, children? Yes, these are almonds. Listen carefully, children. One group of 2 almonds. So, 1, 2 is 2. 1, 2. 1, 2 is 2. Here, 2 groups of 2 almonds. 2 groups of 2 almonds. So, 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Next, how many groups? 3 groups. Each group has 2 almonds. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. Next, 4 groups. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. Next, how many groups? Yes, 5 groups. 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. How many groups? 6 groups. 6 2s are 12. 6 2s are 12. Next, 7 2s are 14. 7 2s are 14. Here, how many groups? Shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Each group has 2 almonds. So, 8 2s are 16. 8 2s are 16. Next, 9 twos are 18. 9 twos are 18. 10 twos are 20. 10 twos are 20. Students, take your note and copy the table 2. 1 2 is 2. 1 2 is 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4. 3 twos are 6. 3 twos are 6. 4 twos are 8. 4 twos are 8. 5 twos are 10. 5 twos are 10. 6 twos are 12. 6 twos are 12. 7 twos are 14. 7 twos are 14. 8 twos are 16. 8 twos are 16. 9 twos are 18. 9 twos are 18. 10 twos are 20. 10 twos are 20. Students, practice the table 1 and 2. Thank you children. We will meet in the next class.